Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to show you guys the bed vacuum cleaner. Already took it out from the box. This is what it looks like. So let's see what it does. This is a powerful handheld vacuum cleaner. Okay, so this is our kids' bed that we're gonna vacuum today. It's the bottom bed and the top bed.
I could see a lot of it.
Oh my goodness.
But some just escapes through there, so.
So now let's try our ultrasonic vacuum cleaner on our couch. This is a very powerful ultrasonic vacuum and it has a long cord, which I like. This ultrasonic vacuum effectively eliminates dust mites, bacteria, allergens from home with the ultraviolet rays, powerful suction, heating, and other function. It is especially effective targeting deep-seated microorganisms in textiles such as mattresses, pillows, sofas, and carpets. And look how much dust I got. Most of this are from my kids' mattress. I like that it's handheld. And if you guys want to check this out, I will link it in the description box below.